quick you do it. What's Z?
Real component Z.
No, just do the whole thing first, get to the answer, and then look at the real and the imaginary. You could do it separate. You can go, what is that? What is that? Add the two up. Can I just suggest to you for a moment, humour me, especially when they get more complicated, do the whole thing first. But there's times when that's a real advantage, especially when they're pretty yucky. They're much more revolving. So, Z is 2 plus 3i. What's that conjugate?
2 take 3 out.
Yep. And we're left with just 4. Now,
conjugate, sorry, I forgot what the conjugate is.
See how it's got a positive on the I section?
Yeah.
That's got a negative on the I section.
Okay.
What it means if we draw those up, that means that we're going to go to 2 on the graph, we're going to go up 3 for that one, and we're going to go down 3 for that one.
Okay.
So there's a reflection in the x-axis.
Yeah.
Now what's happening as well, talk about what happens in people's brains. I've seen people sit there and think about it, and it takes longer than the people who just go, answer. So what do we say now? The real. Now, it's a bit funny to call it Z, isn't it? So we really should call it Z plus Z conjugate. It's just 4, and the imaginary of Z is, or Z plus Z conjugate is?
0.
Is 0. Too easy?
Would it be 0 or 0i?
0. Because if you put the I in, it's not the imaginary part. So the imaginary part is a coefficient of the I. So real part, imaginary part.
Okay, cool.
So third of Z, so I'd just go third. Would I shortcut it? I think I would, because I know I can shortcut certain stuff without making goofy mistakes. So I just write that as 2/3. You right? So all I'm doing is a third of that one, a third of that one. Or would I? Look what just happened. I have to think and be careful I don't make silly mistakes. So can you just tell me just what to write if I went third bracket?
2 plus 3i.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus a half of?
2 plus i.
2 plus I. I'm
So
going
you go 2 over 3 plus 1i.
Yep.
2 over 3 plus I. Plus 1 plus 1/2 I.
Yeah, and you see what I did on purpose, doing whole numbers sometimes and fractions in the other.
So that would be 5 over 3.
Which you could write as 1 2/3 if you wanted to.
No, I don't like that. And 3 over 2i.
Yeah, you're comfortable with that. So now I'm running out of room, so I'd have to write that there. Why don't we just put that the real part is 5 on 3 and the imaginary part is
3 on 2.
3 on 2. I'm pretty sure we get away with that.
Z squared is 2 plus 3i times 2 plus 3i. So that's 4 plus 6i plus 6i plus 9i squared, which is 4 plus 12i plus 9i squared, blah. And 9i squared is 9.
Yeah. So we could just write...
So 13 plus 12i?
Not quite.
No?
4 minus 9. So all this is saying...
Oh, it's minus 9.
Yeah, you were out thinking yourself.
Okay.
So maybe, I'll just say, even though you're comfortable, 4 minus 9.
Okay, 4 minus 9, so minus 5 is the real part, and 12 is the imaginary part.
Plus 3i.
Yep, times 2
Brackets.
minus i.
Brackets, got to always nag about brackets.
Yeah, 2 minus i.
Yeah, too easy. How much can you do in your head?
4 minus 6i.
Is it worth going minus 2i plus 6i? Or is it quicker just to go 4 minus 2i plus 6i minus 3i squared?
I would probably make less mistakes if I did the longer way.
Yeah. So then it's 4 minus minus 3.
Yeah. Which is just minus 1.
3.
No, 4. 7.
Got it.
Ah.
I can feel it. I can feel it coming up from your toes.
Okay,
4 minus 3. 7.
Yeah. So 7 plus 4i.
Yeah. So the real is
7.
and the imaginary is
4.
not I.
Okay. Z over W.
So
2 plus 3i over 2 plus I.
2 plus I. What's the secret, the trick to doing this?
Do you multiply the reciprocal of 1?
It's not reciprocal.
So what's 6? So?
What do you times it by 1?
By its conjugate.
What?
Times it by 1, yes. What do you put on the top and the bottom of the
Conjugate
times
of
by
the
1?
denominator.
Yes, conjugate of the denominator. What do you say, Alex?
So what 6 was circles? Couldn't see it.
Yeah, okay. So what do we got?
Yeah.
You go that by that, so that's your 4. You keep going for me.
4 plus 6i minus 2i.
Yeah. Oh, you did the 6i first?
Yeah.
What?
So you did
So 4 minus 2i plus 6i
mine, yeah, that's okay. You can do the other way if you want
minus
to.
3i.
Minus 3i.
I don't know why I did it. I just
And
did
don't
it.
forget it's got a squared.
Over 4 minus I squared.
And you don't even have to think about it anymore. You can just go, that's going to be 4 minus I squared.
Which is 4 plus 1, 5.
Got it. So the top is 4 minus 3. 7 plus.
7 plus what? 4i. Yeah.
Yeah, over.
Over 5.
Yeah. So you could just simply say
So
the
then-
rule is.
7 over 5.
Yeah.
And 4 over 5.
And no Y. Anyone making mistakes? That's one time, just because of what I've seen so often in assessments, I'm really going through nagging about these. You want to keep going?
Yeah. It's helping.
Z conjugate?
2 minus 3.
Yep.
2 minus I.
Yep.
So you go 2 plus I
Yep.
over 2 plus I.
Now you really could shortcut maybe, and then you think, no, I'll make too many mistakes.
I will.
Yeah.
So I'll go 4 minus 2i.
Plus 2I.
Oh, there you go. Plus 2i minus 6i.
Yep.
Minus 3i.
Squared.
Squared.
Over 5.
Thank you.
Over the same 4 minus I.
It's just 5.
So just 5.
Yeah, so you could shortcut, couldn't you, like anything?
Yeah.
4 minus and minus 3
So
again.
minus 7 minus 4i over 5.
Yeah,
So 7 over 5 minus 4 over 5.
yeah. These pens aren't lasting very long. IZ, so we've got I, don't forget to put.
Bracket.
So guys, I'm just gonna nag and nag. If you could see how many thousand times I've seen people not put brackets in and therefore get the question wrong. It's just all the time.
So I 2 plus 3i
Yeah,
is 2i plus 3i squared, which is just minus 3. So
2i
2i minus 3.
and you
Real
normally write
minus
as minus 3
3.
plus 2I.
Oh, fine.
You right with me? Too
Yeah,
quick?
so minus 3 and
Yeah.
2i. 2.
Now for a second, what happened to the 2 and the 3?
Multiplied by I.
That's swapped.
In simplicity, they swap places.
Yeah.
They swapped. You said swap, didn't you?
Yeah.
So they swap places.
That's cool.
Oh yeah.
By the way, it rotates 90 degrees
What if you did it by I squared?
anti-clockwise.
Oh.
It rotates 180 degrees
Yes.
anti-clockwise.
Because that's a transformation matrix thing.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yeah. So you're starting to think of all that stuff as well. By the way, if you did a quick diagram, you went 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, you're up here. There's the original, there's Z. And the new one is 1, 2, 3. So the up became the across. And then the across become the up, which is there. So that's IZ. If you had a quick look at it as a diagram, even a rough diagram, it's 90 degrees. So what's it done? I want to write it just for the moment. It's rotated 90 degrees anti, and of course a lot of people say counterclockwise, anti-clockwise.
IW would just be minus 1 plus 2i.
Let's try it. The rule is minus 1, and the imaginary is 2. Yeah. So if you had to see it, I with, what's W again? 2 plus I becomes 2I plus I squared minus 1, so it's minus 1 plus 2I. See, you can do a lot of it in your head. It's just a matter, I always had this, what sort of balance between going fast, being able to save as much writing as I could. Okay, enough done. That's pretty comprehensive. Done? Very good?
Yeah.
I'll turn that off then. Mate, I do like the purple.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.